Good afternoon to all of you. I am Shunty. I am studying my international school from class 4. Today I made to tell you my topic is I made this camera. I click your photo. See, I draw like that. It's a many shade. It is looking very beautiful. And how I made. I take. See, I see you. See, it's have I take four papers and four papers are blue and white. You can take any papers and see this is blue many paper. So I cut in a square. It's square, all square and draw this. I draw this many flowers, a house, sun, ice cream, uh, umbrella, uh, flower, tree, many things I draw and then I take these two white paper and cut in the square shape like a bow. Then I take two papers like that, square papers. Then it is how we click like that, and and then take a circle, cut in the circle, and take white and black paper, and it is also cutting a circle. It's look like the camera and I paste these papers and black papers. So class, I tell you about this camera. See, it is looking very beautiful. Thank you. Have a nice day.